if you're tired of complicated makeup routines, this video is for you. So this would be a simple everyday look which you can create without taking a lot of time, and also it will help you look put together and polished. So let's get started. So these are the products that I'm going to use today. You can absolutely substitute products you already own, but these are the exact products that I'll be using. So the first product that I'll be using is a sunscreen. This is the Dermaco sunscreen. It's a tinted sunscreen. I'll be using this because it will do both the work for me. It will give me a medium coverage and it will also protect the skin. So applying a sunscreen is a very crucial part of your makeup. It gives you a smoother base and also it protects your skin. And you can just apply it evenly across your face and just give it a minute to settle. So since now the sunscreen is settled into the skin, I'm going to use a powder foundation. Since the sunscreen already gives me a little bit of coverage, I don't feel the need to use a separate foundation or concealer for this look. So the powder foundation helps set the sunscreen, reduce shine, and also it adds a little extra coverage where I need. So what I like about this step is that it keeps the skin looking natural while still making everything look more even and polished. So for office and college makeup, I personally prefer this because it's quick, lightweight, and doesn't feel heavy on the skin. So I'm applying a light layer all over the face and building up slightly around the areas where I want a bit of more coverage. And that's it, no liquid foundation, no concealer, just a simple base that still looks put together. Next, I am filling in my brows with a brow pencil. I am not trying to create a bold or dramatic look here. The goal is simply to fill in any sparse areas and give them a little more shape and definition. I find that even a few light strokes can make the face look more polished and put together. For everyday office and college makeup, I like keeping the brows natural and soft. Once I'm happy with the shape, I lightly brush through them to blend everything out. Now I'm applying the mascara. So if I had to choose just one eye product for everyday makeup look, it would probably be mascara. It helps define the lashes, open up the eyes, and instantly makes me look more awake. I'm applying a light coat to the upper lashes and focusing on separating the lashes rather than creating a dramatic look. So for office and college makeup, I would prefer lashes that look defined but still natural. It's a small step but makes a noticeable difference to the finished look. Next, I'm defining my lips with a lip liner. I like using a lip liner because it helps add a little more shape and definition without looking overdone. So I like to stay close to my natural lip line and just blur out the lip liner so that it gives a nice color. Now you can stop at that, or you can go ahead with applying your lipstick or a lip gloss. So I've decided to apply a lip gloss here. This is what brings the whole look together. So the gloss adds a little shine, makes the lips look fuller, and gives the makeup a fresh, healthy finish. Since the rest of the makeup is very simple and lightweight, I like having a glossy lip as the focal point. And that's the finished look, around 5 minutes, and a simple makeup look that's perfect for office, college, and everyday wear. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple skincare and makeup content. And if you're interested in knowing how to create a makeup look with only 3 products, watch this video next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.